Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see a new type of data visualization technique in charts. So let's open Microsoft Excel, open blank workbook. I will zoom it for you. Let's have a set of data as usual. Student and marks out of 100. So let's have student A, student B, C, D and E. Suppose for A 70 out of 100, B 50 out of 100, C 40, D 80 and E 20. So let's select the data, go in Insert tab. Here you will find the charts section in which you have pie charts. So in previous video we have seen how a 2D pie chart works. So now let's go for a 3D pie chart. So click on this 3D pie chart and just resize it like this and adjust it to your screen. So now this will be looking like a 3D chart, and this whole circle which is divided in 360 degrees will be equally divided in terms of marks. So suppose if I have to visualize this, click on this and add data labels. So see, data labels have been added. Now if you change this 20 marks, which is here small percentage, if you change this to 100, so let's see what happens. So see, this is 100. It is changed in the chart. Suppose this 40 is this 80 is suppose changed to 20. So this yellow color has changed. So it is a live representation of the data, and in this way you can present the data in the terms of a 3D pie chart. Thank you all of you.